What's the meaning of Andrea Dworkin? Andrea Dworkin. Andrea Dworkin. Andrea Dworkin. Andrea Dworkin. Andrea Dworkin.
Andrea Dworkin was an American radical feminist and writer. She is best known for her controversial and influential views on pornography, which she believed to be a form of violence against women. Dworkin also wrote extensively on topics such as rape, prostitution, and the politics of sex. Her work sparked important discussions about gender relations and sexual politics, and continues to be studied and debated by scholars and activists around the world.